Hi educators! Are you looking for an interesting activity to teach your Year 1 kids about pictographs? We have just the thing. This activity will allow your learners to experience collecting and organizing data in a more enjoyable way. The learning outcomes for this activity are, by the end of this activity, students will be able to complete a pictograph based on the data collected and suggest 2 ways to reduce plastic trash in the ocean. We will start the activity by telling the learners a story about 2 sea creature friends, John and Terry, where Terry got stuck in a plastic bag that was thrown into the ocean. While John tried to look for help, he realized that the ocean around him was filled with plastic trash. You can pause this video to read the full story. The activity proceeds with the teacher saying she has visited the same ocean that John and Terry lived in. She has also collected some plastic trash she found there to bring to class. The teacher then shows the students the pool of water with the plastic trash in them. The teacher tells the learners she will separate them into 3 groups, A, B, and C. The groups are then required to collect one type of trash from the pool respectively. One group will collect plastic bags, another group collects plastic bottles, and the last group collects plastic straws. The groups will then put the trash they collected into a pile in front of the class according to the types of trash found in the pool, which are the plastic bags, plastic bottles, and plastic straws. After they have organized the trash, the groups will then count the type of plastic trash they have collected and write the total on the whiteboard. After the activity, each student will be given a worksheet in which they need to complete a pictograph based on the data collected and then answer a question. The worksheet given is differentiated for both low and high ability learners. For the low ability learners, the pictograph is given together with several assisting labels and pictures that would prompt them on how to organize the data collected. For question B, we provided them with an example of a reasonable answer as a guideline. As for the high ability learners, they are given an empty pictograph where they have to complete and label the graph correctly themselves. For question B, no guidelines are given to them. Another way of extending this task is to ask the students to draw a vertical pictograph and suggest another way on how to reduce plastic trash in the ocean. The reason we chose this activity is we believe this activity can allow our learners to learn by doing. According to Brunner, before learners can move on to the pictorial and abstract stage of learning, they need to go through the concrete stage first. This is where concrete objects and experiences are used to bring the concept taught to life. It is also important for our learners to learn pictograph via hands-on activities, as Piaget also said that young learners aged 7 to 11 need to have a concrete experience where manipulatives or concrete materials will help them learn a new concept. According to him, when learners have a concrete experience, it's more likely for them to grasp the concept effortlessly. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching.